Yeah.
And now this is something really big.
Whoa.
We missed it a lot, and then our wizard Radek, that you may know from the podcast FM, got very frustrated that we don't have it, and developed it in 1 week.
Yeah, and we were always saying, we will not do the bulk edit mode because this is so much work. It's going to take us so many weeks to do it. Let's do it later, and then later, and then later, and then later. So
yeah. So anyway, if you go to project menu, now you have a select tasks option. So you can trigger selecting tasks. And actually I had this bulk edit mode task selected, so it already got selected. Here I can select tasks. I can change attributes, mark as priority, for example, etc.
Can you move like this, for example, tasks to different projects as well?
Yes, I can change project for tasks.
All right. Yeah, I think this is the big one. When you do your Friday and you want to clean stuff up, just moving one task after another, it's frustrating.
Yeah, you can complete or abandon a lot of tasks.
Oh yes, spring cleaning, baby.
So
autumn cleaning.
And there are some keyboard shortcuts as well. So, for example, if I if in section menu actually there is select all. You can see it doesn't have a good icon yet.
Yes.
But we decided we ship every week. So we will fix it in the next week release. So don't worry, guys.
Exactly.
So you can select the whole section, for example.
This is really cool.
Yeah. And if I hold down Shift key, for example, and click on bulk edit mode, it will mark all tasks from the top to bulk edit mode.
Wow! So you don't even have to go to the menu in the project. You can just use Shift and that's it.
Yes, exactly. And actually, and if I want to just mark one task and start marking task, I can just press Command key on Mac or Control on Windows, and click on a task. And actually, let's complete those tasks we already talked about to show how it works. And here it is.